All right, so this is a surprise unboxing. I have no idea what is inside this box. It just kind of showed up at my door by FedEx. So I'll show you guys the details. I ripped off the rest of the tracking label. So it's from Ingram Micro CES. I have no idea who they are, and it was shipped on October 26th, so it was pretty recent. I wanted to unbox this on camera because I want you guys to see my reaction to whatever is inside this box. What is this? So let's get into the unboxing. I don't even have my knife. All right. Dude, what could be inside of here? What could be inside of here? Please, please. 3090. I'm just kidding. There's no way. This box is too small. Oh! Is this the 4A? Look, it's the Google store. It's from Google. This is the 4A. Oh my! It's the 5! It's the 5! It's the 5! It's the 5! I completely forgot I ordered this. Oh my god, it's the 5! Oh my god. Let's go! 5G millimeter wave. God. I'm so happy. All right, let's get into the unboxing. Let me peel these tabs. Oh my goodness. I'm late, but I don't even care. Oh! Oh my. Ooh. Way better than the iPhone. Wow. Oh, this feels so good. USB-C. Look at that display. I miss Androids. Wow, look at the Google logo. I think this is metal. Wow, look at the camera. This is, oh man. Google. All right, let's see what else is in the box. For sure, we're getting that nice old power adapter. Yep. Oh, it's a fat one too. Jesus. How many wattage is this? 18 watts. My goodness, Google. Packing a punch. USB-C to USB-C. Love that by Google. Keep it in the frame for you guys. And then we also have a adapter as well from USB-A to USB-C. Come on. You gotta love Google for this. Also, SIM tool is on the other side. Oh, look at these animations. Yes. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. I mean, this is just the best day ever. I completely forgot about the fingerprint sensor on the back of this phone. I love how I opened up the app drawer and my predicted app was to open up YouTube. That's funny. Google, you know me too well. Oh, I forgot. This is 90 hertz. I love this phone already. You guys thought I would forget, huh? It doesn't smell like anything, but the best thing I love about the Pixel is this fingerprint sensor. Seriously, like I miss this phone. So unfortunately, I can't compare this to the Pixel 4a because I'm letting my friend borrow it because her phone broke. So I guess I just have to compare it to the iPhone 12. As you can see, the size is nearly identical, but you know, there's a huge fat notch on the iPhone 12 over here, whereas on the Pixel, there's no notch. There's just a hole punch on the top left, but it's pretty much hidden right now from the black wallpaper. I like how Google did that. But in terms of dimension, I think the Pixel 5 is just a tad bit smaller. Obviously, there's ceramic shield. First of all, this is not a comparison to the iPhone 12. This is Pixel's time to shine. So let's open up YouTube and test out the speakers.
Hey, what's up? MKBHD here. Pixel 5. Google Pixel 5. You know, if you think about it, it's actually kind of funny that...
I don't want to watch all of it because I don't want to spoil what... Oh, he only got it 5 days ago. I'm not that late. Well, I still have to like do review, like use it and stuff, but honestly, the speakers were pretty clear, loud. So next up is camera. And you guys know when I tested out the 4A's camera, I was blown away. So, wow. Oh my goodness. Take a photo real quick. It's so much faster than the 4A. It's instantaneous. Listen, Apple. Like I said, this isn't a comparison to the iPhone 12, but Google's portrait mode is it's pretty amazing. Oh my God. I'm gonna go out and say it. Portrait mode on the Pixel 5 is better than the iPhone. The colors just look so much more natural. It seems like there's no like automatic beautification that happens on the iPhone, like no smoothing of the face. Like this is all natural. This is what I look like. Oh my God. This is better than the iPhone. 100%. 100%. I will fight this till the day I die. Pixel 5 is better than the iPhone 12 portrait mode. 100%. 100%. Do you guys ever open up the camera app by accident and this is what you see? I was like, whoa, this is what I look like? I look good. Okay, I'm gonna have to show you guys what I just saw, but there was a button that like flipped up on bottom right. But I'm testing out the front-facing camera quality on the Pixel 5. I might have called it the Pixel 4a throughout this video, but like I said, the one thing I love about Pixel is the colors just look so natural. And this looks so much better than the Pixel 4a. Wow. This is like this artwork that I have behind me, that's what it looks like in person. The iPhone 12 looked like, had a warmish tone to it. This looks so good. Google. All right, so usually this part is in the middle of my unboxing, but now it's kind of at the end. So I want to show you guys around the phone. So on the right-hand side, we have our volume rocker as well as the power button. It doesn't look to be plasticky like the Pixel 4a. It seems to have like a stainless steel metal finish to it. But the buttons are pretty clicky still. I like that. Next, we have our stereo speakers as well as USB-C on the bottom, which comes included with the box, USB-C to USB-C. On the, oops, I already did that side. On the left-hand side, all we have is our SIM card tray. God, the back of this feels good too, the whole body. And then on the top, I believe this is the microphone. So then looking up on the back, what does that even mean? Looking at the back, we have our camera modules and the fingerprint sensor. Let me look up real quick what cameras that this phone has. Sorry guys, it's been, like I said, it's been quite some time. So this has a 12 megapixel lens as well as a wide camera. I did not know that. It also has HDR. That's been there for a while on other smartphones. I don't know why I got excited. And LS3D, so depth sensor as well. Ooh, kind of like a LiDAR sensor. So let's look at the ultra wide. Oh, I didn't even know. So this is standard. And then this would be ultra wide. Wow. I'm gonna have to go outdoors and try this, but listen, Google, you are something else. Man, like I said, I was not expecting this. Now I'm curious when I'm getting my Pixel 4a 5G. But, God, I'm already in a honeymoon phase with the iPhone 12. But now, this Pixel 5. I missed Android, if I'm going to be honest. 90 hertz, I missed you. But this is my unboxing experience surprise of the Pixel 5. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Honestly, I enjoyed the unboxing experience. Still doesn't smell like anything, but if you guys did enjoy the video, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, share it with your friends, and as always guys, much love. Pixel 5, iPhone 12. Which one would you pick? This one too.